Hello folks, I'm presenting you another travel trailers, but this time is a luxurious travel trailer, and I'm gonna show you why it's a luxury travel trailer in a small size, because everybody thinking when they get a small travel trailers, they have to cut corners and be just the basic. So this is a 21 foot called 21RB Alpha Wolf by Forest River. It's a brand new floor plan for 2026. Let's start from outside. As you see, this front speaks for itself, because all the 21 footers travel trailers, they just have basic, just a solid wall in the front or just solid one piece fiberglass with a window. But this particular Alpha Wolf, they give you a gel coated cap, as you see, with a nice LED light in the front, automotive big window, and a rubber diamond plated in the front. So as first, is more aerodynamic. Number two, it's very easy and clean. Then number three is more solid, not a flimsy. And you have a nice rough diamond plate to handle the rocks and the stone chips. In support of that, they provide you with electric tongue jack. So you could see, I could make it so easy, so I don't have to use manual tongue jacks. So all by pushing the switch, and it has even light switch. It provide you with a 2 propane tank, 5 gallon each with a cover. And then this speaks for itself from a standpoint is a bigger basement storage. So as you see, they went what's called Z frame, go straight down this way to gain what? To gain more basement storage and a bigger room. As you see, this unit provided with a 30 amp solar controller and switches for inside outside. And the storage on this unit, as you see, is totally finished. Some other brands or people they've been around, they've seen the frame of the bed from the basement. The nice thing about the Alpha Wolf, no, it's finished and it's done. Another major components on this unit, as you see, it has the big awning with LED light and a full outdoor kitchen. But what do you mean by full outdoor kitchen? It means it has outside 18-inch grill, fridge for sodas and waters, beers, a place for a TV. I could install a TV here, and there's the cable hookup on the 110. It has electric extended stabilizer jack, so it has electric in the front, electric in the back, endless hot water heater, and in the back they supported with a class 2 hitch for your bike rack or tray, outside shower hot and cold, light, which is you could see at night. Some of them you have to use the flashlight. You don't need to anymore. You have a light you could see when you hook up the city water and the black tank flush and the cable. Nice LED light, 30 amp power cord, and then there's the valve for the black tank and the gray tank. This is the slide out. It's electric, and they use a better mechanism. No more swing, no more the track here. It is using the cable, which is more reliable and more strong. And then you have and then you have another side of the pass-through storage. So this is the major features of the Alpha Wolf 21RB. Now we're gonna go inside and show you the floor plan from inside, because the one thing I wanted to emphasize is the big handle. Look how big the handle to get in. 3-step to get in, very solid. And then you have the glass door. Now, as you notice on the 21 foot travel trailers, majority of the brands, they make it too small. But in this one, what I really like about it is the comfort here in the bedroom. So let's start from the bedroom and I'll walk you through the living room. So in the bedroom wise, it's a true 100% 60 by 80 queen bed, storage on both sides. And then you have over there said TV mounting, where you put the screws and you mount your TV in the bedroom. And then it's supported by this setup. What I really like about it is I could sit here, I could tie my shoes, more storage. I could use it as a dress-up room and bench at my bedroom. It makes it more open to walk around the bed, get things around the bed as you see. The unit provided with a 2 solid pocket door. for more privacy. Now, this coach is a 2-people coach. You could provide additional 2 people to come with you, like a grandkids, but this particular floor plan, 2 people, pop and mom, they liking it because it gives them everything and it's still in the 21 foot. Now, this, I'm going to show you. What is that? You have a provided with a 2-theater seating. And why people they like this floor plan? Because the theater seating facing the smart TV in front of me. So when I sitting here, lay down here, show them, I'm enjoying nice seating, and there's a nice smart TV in the front of me with a middle console, as you see. Now, the reason why they make a middle console, because people when they walk in that trailer, they think it's a sofa with a 3-seat. Yes, you could sit 3 people on it if you want, or you drop the middle console, and now you have a theater seating. Now, you ask me, what's this sitting here? Now, they provide you what's called, you know, a box, folding box, so you could put your stuff in it, games board, and so on, or you could make it as a bench, and you could sit on it. You could use it as ottoman and put your feet on it and sit, relax. I mean, again, you don't have to use it, but they provide it to you on the trailers. The beauty about this one is you could sit and eat here on the theater seating if you want, or you could use this island. Let me move this. You have a beautiful island with a bar stool. Where's my food? And you could eat and watch TV at the same time. This is a solid surface countertop. This is not a Formica, it's a nicer, cleaner, one piece. You could see you have a full cabinet with the microwave and a hood. Let's go into the kitchen. Kitchen speak for itself. You have plenty of room on the side of the oven for more storage. You have an oven, country sink, cup prints, high-rise faucet. You have a place for coffee maker, toasters, margarita mixer, air fryers. But you provide you with a microwave, oven, 3-burner range, room for your cooking pans or silverware. Another place for trash can. You see there's a place for trash can. Silverware, utensils. More storage. And then you have the 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, run of 12 volt. No worries, you have 200 watts solar on the roof. Coat hangers. Central vac. And then one thing nice about this unit, it has a full privacy bathroom. So solid door, and voila, look how this bathroom speaks for itself. Nice oval shaped mirrors with LED light. I like about it. Big cabinet, you could store all kind of stuff. Nice porcelain toilet, and there's room for your needs. Glass shower door. And no problem. So this is the unit, 21 RB. It's a 21 feet, rear bath, RB is mean rear bath, solid queen bedroom in the front, with the theater seating facing the TV, and the island with 2 bar stool. Come to Best RV because we got a price. You could click down on the link and they will see more specifications. You could go to our website, you could call us. We'll be glad to answer all your questions. But one most important thing people they realize at Best RV, we provide you the lowest price up front, as well no hidden fees. And we make it ready at no cost to you. Come in it.